Hi, good people. Nice to meet you again. Let's come and join us here in Balloon Kids channel. So today, Balloon Kids channel will show you how to make a flamingo with the balloon twisting. So let's prepare your balloon. Alright, so we see here, for the first we're preparing two pieces of our loop twisting. We tied them, and then before that we have tied the black and the red color. So the white color we just twist that in between the red and the black. Alright, and now continue to the fingers bubble. That's about 5 fingers bubble. Next with the small pins twist. Then we back again with fingers bubble. So the fingers bubble here we need 3 pieces. You can make it like the video show you. Alright, back to the black color. So the black color we need to make the shape, just bend the balloon and take some size. For the rest of the balloon we can discard, but don't forget to tie the balloon. Yep, so that's for the head part. And next with the neck we just make the shape like you see. We can take some size and then we bend it to get the shape like the neck of the flamingo. Okay, after we get the size and the shape, then we continue to twisting. After we twist, just make a small pin twist for 2 pieces. Alright, and now we continue to twisting the fingers bubble, about 4 fingers, and continue with the small pin twist. Again we make a fingers bubble. After the fingers bubble we make a small pin twist again, and for the rest of the balloon we discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon after we discard. And now get ready with the next balloon. Just twist that in between the small pin twists. Again we continue to twist fingers bubble and twist that into the small pin twist in the other side. So we make it for triangle shape. Again with the next balloon we twist on the top of the small pin twist and get down it. Then we wrap with the new balloon. Alright, like you see, you can make the same thing. And for the rest of the balloon we discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon. Alright, the same thing we repeat in another balloon. We discard and don't forget to tie the balloon. Okay, so for everyone, please give us a small support, just click the thumbs up below the video and subscribe my channel. Maybe you can share the video or the channel to your friends. That's to help us to growing up my channel. Okay, here we take a brown color. So this is will be for the leg of the flamingo. Okay, just twist with the small pin strips for 2 pieces. We get it now. And for the leg, we take some size for the leg, and after that we discard for the rest of the balloon. Don't forget to tie the balloon. And now this flamingo will be stand up the water. So the water here we use the green color. If you have the blue color or the white color, is very nice color to use for the water. We need 4 pieces of a small balloon. Just tie that one by one. Okay, leave it for a while. And we preparing the black color for the eyes. Just a small, a tiny bubble. Then we twist it. Like you see, you can make it the same thing. Another one to the other side. Okay, after the eyes we done, and now continue to twist that into the water. That's the green small balloon. So we have done it. I hope you get your flamingo balloon. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. During you enjoy or before you leave my channel, so please like and subscribe, share to your friends. Then we'll see you again with the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. Bye bye.